Okay, here you see three different kind of lenses, and I just want you to watch carefully the shape of these lenses, especially the left and right surfaces of this lens, how it is curved, uh, and then you will see, because of this different curvature of the two surfaces, you will see what happened to a parallel rays of light passing through these lenses. How do this parallel ray of light behave after they cross the two surfaces of the lens? Okay, so I'm going to show you that in a dark room. Okay, so just watch the focal point. That means the point where the parallel beam, the parallel rays of light converge to after these rays cross the two surfaces. So for example, the first one, you see this point. So this is one point. Now I'm gonna move these parallel rays into the second one. So just, this is the second one. So for this, so you see somewhere here, and if I move it here, so this one has a focal point a little bit further away from the lens, so this point, and just watch carefully how the rays behave before the focal point and after the focal point. Okay, so these are the three lenses. So I'm going to show you another four different types of lenses. All right, so I have another four different lenses here: lens 2, lens 4, lens 3, lens 5. And I want you to see how the rays behave after it crosses the two sides of these lenses. Okay, so this is for lens 2. So you can see it is somewhere in the focal point of this lens. Now if I move it to lens 4, this has a pretty long focal point. So if I rotate this one, you can see where it is converging. So just let me move it here, or maybe from this angle. So this is the ray, parallel rays. So it's incident here and it's focusing somewhere here. So that's the focal point for this lens. And now let's move it to lens 3. So lens 3. Okay, for this one is closer to the lens. So if I move this one close here, so this one has a focal point somewhere here. And for lens 5, just watch carefully for this one. So for this one, unlike all the other lenses, the rays, okay, let me move this one up. So if I move it up here, so that you can see it clearly. So you can see that these parallel rays, after it crosses the two surfaces of this lens, they are diverging and not converging. So these rays are diverging. You can see that. So let me focus it. So these are diverging rays. You can see all the way there. Okay.